Let's start on the weekly time frame to establish our higher level bias. As you can see from our first chart, we've had a significant bullish move. We've taken out this previous high here, which we can label as a break of structure boss. This boss confirms that we're in a clear bullish trend on the macro level. We've also established a new high and a new swing low. The key takeaway from the weekly is that we are bullish. We're looking for opportunities to get in on this trend, not fight it. Moving down to the daily chart, things get a little more interesting. We've had a strong move up that took out a previous high, confirming another boss. However, after that move, we've seen a bit of a pullback. You can see a fair value gap FVG has formed right here in this area. An FVG is essentially an inefficiency in the market where price moved quickly in one direction without sufficient volume on the other side. This often acts as a magnet for price to come back and fill it. Additionally, we have a clear high and a clear low established. My expectation is for price to potentially come down and retest this FVG area before making its next major move up to take out the current high. Now, let's zoom into the 4-hour chart for a more granular view. This is where we can start to identify potential entry points and better understand the current price action. After the recent high was formed, we saw a significant drop. Notice how price took out this low here, which we can label as an inducement IDM. An inducement is a liquidity grab, where early buyers are stopped out, providing fuel for a move in the opposite direction. Below that inducement, we have a clear order block zone where large institutions likely place their orders. My thesis here is that price could continue to sweep that inducement and then tap into our order block before we see a significant bounce. This is a potential high probability area to look for a long entry, aligning with our higher timeframe bullish bias. Dropping down to the 1-hour and 15-minute charts, we can see this concept in more detail. We have a recent high and low. We also have a clear change of character CHOCH, which indicates a short-term shift from bullish to bearish momentum. Below that chalk, we see another inducement level. And underneath that, we have another pristine order block. The trade setup I'm watching is for price to retrace, take out the inducement, and then tap into this order block. From there, I'd be looking for a confirmation entry on a lower time frame, such as a smaller chalk to the upside, to confirm that the order block is holding and buyers are stepping in. The target for such a trade would be to take out the recent high,